Hey, what's going on everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the brand new Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. These were actually just announced today at the Samsung Unpacked event. I've been super excited to try these out. There has been an upgrade coming from the original Galaxy Buds, so definitely going to do a little comparison. This isn't going to be a full official review or anything like that, just kind of an unboxing, first impressions, kind of see what they sound like, how they fit in the ears. Because by the pictures, they look exactly like the regular or the original Galaxy Buds. So really curious to see how they're gonna sound apart from just the look. So as far as specs go, they got 11 hours of playtime, two-way speakers for rich sound, triple mics for clear voice call, QI compatible wireless charging. So I really like that these have the wireless charging just like the original Galaxy Buds had. So wireless charging is always very convenient for these type of earbuds. Now the package includes earbuds left and right, obviously, the charging case, got some wingtips as well, earbuds, 3 sets, USB Type-C cable, and a quick start guide. So I'm tired of waiting. Let's go ahead and get this box open, check them out, and see what they sound like. Woo, all right, let's get it open. All right, here we go. Now, the unboxing experience is pretty much exactly the same as the original Galaxy Buds were. We have the buds themselves inside the charging case, and then we have the box that I'm sure contains the charging cable, the extra earbuds, and the wingtips, as you can see right there. Contains everything that we need for that. Let me go ahead and set that to the side. And then we have the buds themselves. Let me chuck that to the side. All you gotta do is pull off this plastic right here, chuck that to the side, and we have the case itself, which has more of a glossy finish rather than the matte finish of the original Buds, as you can see there. And as far as size goes of the case, they pretty much look exactly the same. I can't really tell any size difference, to be honest. Let me go and set these over to the side for now. Go ahead and open up the case, and there is the earbuds themselves. Look at that. So honestly, I really don't see a difference between these and the original Galaxy Buds. Pretty much looking the same white color, same gray. The only difference is inside the case is white instead of that grayish blue color. So that's pretty much the only difference, and obviously the glossy finish outside of the case. But as far as the fit goes, let me go ahead and throw one in here. All right, there we go. Let me go ahead and throw one of the original Buds in the other ear. There we are. All right, so they pretty much feel the same. I have both in each ear, and I really can't tell the difference. If I didn't know any better, I think they were both the same exact earbuds in each ear, whether it be the Plus or the regular original Galaxy Buds. Yeah, so I don't really feel any type of difference. So, of course, obviously that means that they are going to have a really comfortable feel, because I actually really liked the way that the original Galaxy Buds fit. They never fell out of my ears. I did a whole shake test for my review video. I take these out on a lot of jogs, a lot of runs. I never have a problem with them falling out. And the wingtips has a lot to help with that. So the new ones have the wingtips as well. And let me go ahead and just do a little shake test. Why not? Let's do it. New set of earbuds. Let's do a little shake test right here. Here we go. So shake my head back and forth. Got my hair going like crazy. There we go. Let me go ahead and jump around. All right, so getting a little crazy here, but yeah, as you can see, they are not falling off no matter how hard I shake my head. So I think we're gonna be good with that and them not falling out of the ears. But we gotta see what these sound like, because that's the one most important thing when choosing earbuds. You want something that's gonna sound good, not just fit good, but sound good. And me personally, I'm the type that likes a lot of bass in their earbuds, so really curious to see how much bass that these earbuds provide. So let me go ahead and set it up with my device real quick, and I'll be right back. All right, so I got the buds all set up and ready to go, as you can see there. Let me go ahead and throw in some music and see what these sound like. All right. That actually sound pretty good. Let me go ahead and check it out with the app. Now they're on normal setting right now. Let me change it to dynamic. Whoa. All right. These sound good. I'm not gonna lie. These sound. Hold on. Let me press pause real quick. Let me throw on the regular Galaxy Buds real quick so I can compare these. Let me go ahead and throw them back in the case. All right, I got the regular Galaxy Buds in my ears now. Let's see. Let's turn the volume up. You know what? I think the new ones sound better. It's a little bit hard to tell. Let me go to the wearable app just to make sure settings are the same. Dynamic. I mean, these sound good too. It's hard to tell, but you know what? I think the new ones do sound a lot better. Let me try them one more time. All right, got the new ones back in the ears. Oh yeah. Yeah, I think these sound a little better. Yeah, definitely. Okay, let me show you guys the app because the app is set up a little bit different for these for some reason than they are with the originals. All right, so I got the app opened up, set up, and ready to go with the new Galaxy Buds Plus. As you can see, shows you how much charge you have in the buds themselves, both at 99% battery with the case having 22% battery. And then we have the option for ambient sound. Now, ambient sound is supposed to be a lot better with these than with the original buds. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on. Let me take these out of the case real quick, try them on. Let's try it with ambient sound. Okay, so this is at the lowest setting right here, and it already sounds really good. Like I can hear a lot of the outside sound, snapping my fingers in the background. If I turn this up, I can hear the outside sound even more. I hear a lot of my echo in the room, and if I turn it up even more, this is crazy. It literally feels like if I'm wearing some type of hearing aids. Like you can really hear the background sounds, the outside noise, especially a lot of the echo that's going on in this room. I really hear a lot of that with these earbuds with the ambient sound on high. So they definitely have improved that. And it's gonna be good for people that are hard of hearing. Say you get these because you want something that sounds good while listening to music, but you're still hard of hearing other things. You can use these as kind of like a fake hearing aid, and it's really going to help you out. So it's really cool that they improved on that. Let me go ahead and turn that off. And then we have the other settings like the normal setting. We have bass boost, soft setting, dynamic, clear, and treble boost. And when I was trying these out right now, I was actually using the dynamic setting and they sounded amazing. So you definitely can't go wrong with that. Of course, I'm going to be using these for a while. I'm going to have tons of content coming, guys, with these new Galaxy Buds, a couple of reviews, a couple of comparisons, and I will be giving my experience of what all these settings are like when using them. If you go down more, we got notifications. You can manage your notifications. You can turn them on or off, read aloud while using the phone. You go down more, we got the touchpad. So you got your touchpad settings, play or pause track. We pretty much know how all of these work. You can switch them up right here. What do you want them to do? Voice command, ambient sound, volume down. Now we have Spotify. So that is something new coming from the regular Galaxy Buds. These are integrated with Spotify. So that's something pretty cool as well. And then we have our advanced settings, use ambient sound during calls. So that's something else that's pretty cool that they've added to this. Let's see what else. Find my earbuds. You have your general setting. You can reset the earbuds or look for something else. Then we have earbud software update. So if they have an update, you can check here. It'll let you know if they have an update for them or not. And it looks like our software is up to date, so everything's good. Tips, user manual, labs about earbuds. But so far, I'm really liking these. Just with that little test that I did, they did very, very well. I really like the way they sound compared to the original buds. So they definitely have improved, not only on sound, but also with the specs. Like I said earlier, you have the 11 hours of playtime, two-way speakers for rich sound, triple mics for a clearer voice call. And obviously it has that wireless charging capability. So not doing too bad so far, but of course I'm going to be using these a lot, and I mean a lot, especially on my flight home. These are all I'm going to be using to listen to music, watch some videos, really test these out, and I will do a full in-depth review for these. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on that video. But for now, let me know what you think so far of these earbuds, just based off of my first impressions. Samsung did hook it up with a little case here. This is an Olympics case. You know what? Let me go ahead and open this up real quick. Let's go ahead and try it on. Pop that out. All right, so it looks like there's is that a sticker? Well, we got a sticker on the top. I think that's a sticker, yeah, on the bottom. So it's basically just going to stick to the case. But let me go ahead and just pop it on there, see what it looks like. So this is what the case is going to look like on the Galaxy Buds Plus. So pretty cool Olympics case. Doesn't look too bad, but I don't know. Maybe I'll keep it on, maybe I won't. We'll see in the future as I use these. But so far, I really like these. Like I said, leave your thoughts down below of what you think based off of my first impressions. Leave a like on this video if you did like it and find it helpful. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. But for now, thanks so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.